Hello, good morning class. Today I'm going to start your chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry, right? This is the right angle triangle ABC. Here AB is the base, BC is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. One thing to understand about it is if we are taking angle A, the angle A opposite side is perpendicular, hypotenuse is always fixed and the remaining one is base here. If we are taking the value of sine A, so the value of sine A here is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. The value of cos A here is base upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC. The value of cos A here is base upon perpendicular. The value of cot A here is base upon perpendicular, that is AB upon BC. The value of tan A is perpendicular upon base, BC upon AB. The value of cosec A here is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is AC upon BC. The value of sec A here is hypotenuse upon base, that is AC upon AB. Now, sin A is reciprocal of cosec A. That is sin A is equals to 1 upon cosec A. Cos A is equals to 1 upon sec A. Cos A and sec A are reciprocal to each other. Means their product gives you 1. Right? Cos A into sec A is equals to 1. Similarly, tan A is equals to 1 upon cot A, tan A is equals to sin A upon cos A, and cot A is equals to cos A upon sin A. These are the relations which we are using in the given questions. Starting with exercise 8.1, question number 1. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, the value of AB is 24, BC is 7 cm. Determine the value of sin A cos A, sin C cos C. Okay. Now, in triangle ABC here, we are seeing that with the angle A, if we are considering angle A, the value 7 here is perpendicular and the value 24 here is base if we are seeing with the angle A, and AC is the hypotenuse which is fixed. And if we are seeing from angle C, with respect to angle C, 24 is the perpendicular, 7 is the base and AC is the hypotenuse here. Right? So simply we are using the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. The value of AC here is 25 centimeter. Now the value of sine is BC upon AC, that is 7 upon 25. Cos A is AB upon AC, which is equals to 24 upon 25. The value of sin C is AB upon AC, that is 24 upon 25. The value of cos C is BC upon AC, which is equals to 7 upon 25. Next question number 2. In the given figure, find tan P minus cot R. Okay, triangle here is PQR. PQ is 12 centimeter. PR is 13 centimeter. You have to find tan P minus cot R. Using the Pythagoras theorem here, QR square is equals to PR square minus PQ square. Simply solving it, we get the value of QR is 5 centimeter. Then tan P is QR upon PQ, that is 5 upon 12. Cot R is equals to QR upon PQ, that is 5 upon 12. If we are subtracting both these values, we will get the value 0. Next, question number 3. If sin A is equals to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Simply we are making the triangle. Right? With the help of this triangle, you have to find the value of cos A and tan A. The value given here is of sin A. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means BC is 3K and AC is 4K. We are assuming some constant K, and with the help of this we are saying BC is equals to 3K and AC is equals to 4K. Now using the Pythagoras theorem here, the value of AB square is 4K square minus 3K square. Solving this, taking K square common, the value here is 4 K square minus 3K square, that is K square 16 minus 9, 7K square. The value of AB is k root 7. So the cos is root 7 upon 4 and the value of 10 is 3 upon root 7. If there is any doubt in this video, ask me. We'll continue with the another point or with the another question in the next class. Thank you, class.